Hello students, myself Sonal teacher and I welcome you all in computer class. So in last week we have learned our third chapter. I hope you all have understood. In that chapter we have learned about desktop, right? So today we are going to start with our fourth chapter on page number 24, practice using paint. I hope you all have remember that we learn about paint in last year also in third standard. Okay, in that we learn how to start the MS Paint, how to use the shapes into MS Paint, right? Which are the parts of MS Paint window. That we have learned the basic things of MS Paint in third standard. Today we are going to learn some more features of MS Paint, how to use the color groups, tools group, shapes group. Okay, so shall we start with the fourth chapter? Let's start. MS Paint is commonly used to draw, color, even edit images. So basically MS Paint we use for drawing, coloring and editing images. These images in majority are drawings and designs created using various tools in MS Paint. So with the help of MS Paint tools only we have created or we have drawings or designs. We have learned about MS Paint in class 3. Let us see how much we remember. As I told you students that we have learned some basic things of MS Paint in the last year only. So what is the path to start MS Paint? First thing is click on start button, all programs, accessories, paint. Okay, repeat after me. Click on start, all programs, accessories, paint. After clicking on paint, this blank screen or blank file appears on screen. Okay, so that we have learned in the last year. This is called as a ribbon. They have highlighted this. Okay, so this is called as a ribbon and the white paper is called as a drawing area. Okay, and these 3 tabs are available in MS Paint. Our first point is Microsoft Paint window. Many of the tools you use in MS Paint are found in the ribbon which is available on the top of the paint window. So everything we used in MS Paint for drawing, so everything is there in the ribbon only. Whatever you want to choose, you can choose a tools group, you can choose a shapes group or colors group. Everything is there in the ribbon only. Proceed further toward page number 25. They have shown us a tab which are available in MS Paint window. So first tab is file tab, next is home and then view tab. So this is figure 4.2 is file tab. In this we have several options that also we have learned in the last year. That is new, open, save, save as, print. Okay. After that we have home tab. Everything what we used for drawing, everything is there in the home tab only. And in the view tab we have options for making the drawing as a full screen or zoom in or zoom out. By default when we open MS Paint, the home tab appears. To access the any tab, click on the tabs. Here you can see in figure 1.4.1. So here when you open the MS Paint directly you can see which tab is open, home tab. If you want to use a file tab, you need to click here with the help of mouse on file tab. Next if you want to open the view tab, you need to click on view tab with the help of mouse. The home tabs has 5 groups that lets you cut, copy and paste. Here you can see they have shown us some groups that are available on home tab. Here you can see cut, copy and paste command. With the help of cut, you can delete anything. With the help of copy, you can copy the exact copy of your drawing, and again you can, with the once you copy the drawing, you can paste it in the another section. Select the part or whole image, resize and rotate the images. Here you can see an image group. Okay, here you can crop, you can resize them, you can rotate them, you can rotate anywhere, and then you can select the drawing. Use tools such as pencil, brush and eraser. Here you can see pencil, eraser, color bucket, text box. This is the, you can zoom your drawings. Shapes for drawing and coloring. Next I will show you, in last year also we have learned that shapes and drawing. You can see here we have a shapes group, and here we have a colors group. From this groups you can choose any shapes or color. Colors groups, with the color palette to select the background and foreground color of your choice. So here they have shown us a groups, that first is shapes group and colors group. From this both the groups you can choose your selections, what you want to use in your drawings. Okay, so we have learned about MS Paint, how to start MS Paint, start button, all programs, accessories and paint. Then we have learned about tabs, which are the tabs available on the screen: file tab, home tab and view tab. Then we have learned about the window of MS Paint. Everything that we used in for drawing, everything is there in the ribbon only. Next we have learned some groups that are available in the home tab, because when we open the MS Paint, automatically home tab only appears on the screen. If you want to open other tabs, you need to click on them with the help of mouse. Then we have learned about cut, copy, paste command, then image group, tools group, shapes groups and color groups. Now let's learn how to use shapes group in detail. 4.2, using the shapes group. We have learned about the shapes groups in the class 3. You can quickly draw a perfect shape such as circles, squares, rectangles, triangles, stars, diamonds, even and arrows. In last year we have learned how to draw a circle, how to draw a oval, how to draw a rectangle and square. In this way only you can draw many shapes that are available. You can draw circles, squares, rectangles, triangles, stars, diamonds, even and arrows also you can draw. Now how to draw, again we are going to learn in this chapter. So first thing, go to home tab. First thing what you have to do, you have to choose a home tab. Then from the shapes group, you can select any shapes that you want to draw. Then move the pointer to the drawing area and drag the pointer diagonally across the area to create the required shape. So first you need to select a shape, then you need to drag your mouse on the drawing area, how much shape you want, a bigger or smaller. Okay, with the dragging the mouse only you can increase the size or reduce the size of the shapes. This is the simple way. First you need to open home tab, then from the shapes group you need to select the shape and then you need to drag the mouse according to your choice. You can choose to create a custom outline, even specify the thickness of the outline available under shapes outline options. So here you can have outline options, which kind of outline you want. You want solid color, crayons, marker, oil or natural pencil or watercolor. Which kind of border to your shapes you want, you can choose from this options that are there in the outline, shapes outline figure 4.11. Okay. Next we are going to learn how to use a tools group. The tools group figure 4.7 of MS Paint contains many options that you can use to create a picture using the different tools. You can create a freehand drawing with the pencil and color with them using the fill with color options. So as we have learned in the 4.7, okay, you can see your pencil is here, this is the fill in color, text box, eraser. Okay, with this only you can tools you can make a freehand drawings, like with the pencil, like you draw in your drawing book, you can do that kind of drawing in this MS Paint. And for coloring, you can use that color bucket, okay, for giving the color to your drawing. To use any of this tool in the tools group, just click on that tool. If you want to choose any, or you want to use any tools from this tools group, you need to just click on them with the help of mouse. You can see here they have draw a drawing. This is a freehand drawing with the help of pencil tool they have drawn. No shapes are used in this drawing. They have drawn this drawing with the help of pencil only, as you draw in your drawing book. The table below lists the different tools available in MS Paint. So there we have a list that is used as a tools in MS Paint. First, to pencil to draw free form shapes. With the help of pencil you can draw shapes. Eraser to erase mistakes made while drawing and coloring. It's same like you use a pencil for writing, then eraser for erasing your mistakes. Okay, fill with color to fill in area in picture with the color. For coloring you can use the fill with color. To text, to insert text into the pictures and files. If you want to give any heading or any title to your drawing, you can use this text and you can write with the help of text. Next is color picker. To pick a color from one area of the drawing and use it somewhere else. Here you can see here they have used a green color. Again, if you want to give a green color over here, you will use color picker. Then that will pick the color from here and put the color over here. Next is magnifier. To zoom into the particular part of the picture. If you want to zoom your picture or drawing, you can use the magnifier. So these are the tools available in MS Paint for drawing. Next we have a tool that is the text tool. Let us say you have made a beautiful drawing and you want to add a title to it. Here's how you will do it. Now we are going to learn how to use this text tool in drawing. Turn your page on page number 28. To use the text tool, click on the text tool from the tools group. You need to just click on the text tool from the group. Bring the pointer to the required area in your drawing and drag the pointer where you want to insert the text. Again, like a shapes only, you need to choose the tools. Then you have to drag your mouse pointer where you want to insert the text. A dotted rectangle will be visible as shown in figure 4.14. Here you can see this kind of dotted rectangle will be appear on the screen. Simultaneously, a new tab text will be appear on the ribbon. You can see here when you use this text tool, you can see here we have an option in the ribbon tab that is text. With the help of this text, you can give a format to format your text. The text tab lets you format the text by choosing the font, size and style such as bold, underline or italic, etc. So here you can give a format to your words. You can change the font, you can change the color, size, or you can give them a bold, highlighted. You can underline the text as well. Type the desired title, beautiful morning. Here they have typed the title, that is Beautiful Morning. Okay, this is how you can use a text into your Paint, MS Paint. Okay, so we have learned about how to use shapes. Next we have learned about tools group, which are the tools are available in MS Paint. Then we have learned how to use a text tools. I hope you all have understood whatever points we covered today. In next lecture we are going to learn about colors group, editing in MS Paint, how to select the tools, resize the tools, and rotate tool, and how to exit MS Paint. So this is a point we are going to learn in next lecture. If you have any query or doubt, you can call me or message me. Till that time, revise the topics which we covered today. Thank you.